Hello everyone, I'm Mingming Hu from Avlatech AI Research Institute. I'm very happy to have this opportunity to communicate with you here. Today my topic is evolution of the dyslexia definition, what we learn from several diagnosis criteria and associations websites. Next, I will give a detailed introduction from three aspects: research background, specific content, and results. First, background. UNESCO points out that the language literacy is the most important part of the core literacy index system. But in reality, dyslexia is the most important type of learning difficulty, accounting for about 80%, and more than 20 million children in China suffer from language disorder. And then we have reviewed the research on dyslexia and found that the researches on dyslexia can be divided into three dimensions as follows: level, domain, and question. The research questions usually focus on who, what, why, and how. Today we are talking about who. What is the definition of dyslexia? So our study aims to develop a comprehensive understanding of dyslexia definition through a qualitative research of several diagnosis criteria and associations websites. Then we investigate the definition of dyslexia by relevant diagnosis criteria and associations websites and conducted detailed comparison and analysis. First, we analyze the definitions from ICD-10s, ICD-11s, and DSM-5s. We found that the DSM-5s includes accurate or fluent word recognition, decoding, and spelling abilities, while the latest ICD-11s covers the word reading accuracy and fluency as well as reading comprehension. And the definition from ICD-10s just focused on the performance of tasks, which belongs to the neuropsychological level. Next, we also checked the websites of several dyslexia associations to understand their definitions of dyslexia, including ADA, American Dyslexia Association, IDA, International Dyslexia Association, BDA, British Dyslexia Association, and DAS, Dyslexia Association of Singapore. We found that in some associations or organizations, more specific cognitive factors, including phonological awareness, verbal memory, and verbal processing speed are described. And before 2000, the definition from both ICD-10s and the ADA focused on the performance of tasks. After that, the IDA and DSM-5s emphasized on the neurobiological origins of dyslexia from the perspective of the brain. The cross-level analysis from the neuropsychological level to multiple levels helps us to understand the causality of dyslexia. So through the above studies, we derived two trends from the evolution of the dyslexia definition. First, multiple tasks or factors. Second, multi-level analysis. Although we have reached some consensus in the trends, some questions remain open. Firstly, the cut-off threshold of the reading performance in relation to dyslexia diagnosis is vague. Second, the same task of measuring a factor across different studies have varied in materials and experiment process. Lastly, exciting studies focus much more on the inter-level factors than the intra-level factors. Thus, cross-level analysis need to be further considered. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any questions, please contact me.